Hi everyone! Are you trying to add green vegetables and fiber into your diet? Want to get healthier, lose weight? This video is for you if your answer is yes. You got to eat the right food and these vegetables is awesome. My name is Sue and I love sharing recipes from modern to traditional. Some of these recipes are passed down through generations of cooks. Also, I love sharing positivity and foodie adventures. If you see how food is cooked and presented by awesome chefs around the world, in the adventures, we are learning from the pros. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing if you love the content and want to get healthier and feel more abundance. Let's introduce Chinese spinach or amaranth. These vegetables are easily found in Malaysia, India, and the tropical countries. In the US, it is a seasonal vegetable. Right now, it is in season. Sometimes called the Chinese spinach, pronounced in Cantonese as hin choy. The Malaysian Chinese calls it heng choy. This leafy green vegetable is best stir-fried simply with garlic and salt, as it's similar in flavor to spinach. There are two varieties, one with deep magenta color in the center of the leaves, and the other one is just light green. The green variety actually grows in the wild, at least according to our experience, but now it can be grown in the farm. You can find these in Chinese grocery stores and also in the Indian grocery stores. Right now, I want to show you a simple recipe for the Chinese spinach amaranth because it's popping up all over the market and it's really just a gorgeous, healthy green that you should try if you haven't already. The purplish green ones taste similar. The purplish ones have more of the purplish nutrients. So if you can find the purplish ones, try that. It's not so easily available. The flavor of two varieties is largely the same, but the pink vegetables lend a bit of drama to the dinner table. Find it at your local Asian grocery stores. During the preparation, pluck the leaf. It is tender and very delicious. And for the stem, break it into 2-inch length and peel off the fiber that is on the stem, almost like peeling the skin off the stem. This technique will make sure the stem is very tender after the cooking process. This is what my mother does and the vegetable tastes so good. My mother cooks this vegetable nearly every day when I was little. And let me just show you that the ingredient is really easy. First, heat up the wok until it is smoking and add the oil. You can use coconut oil, palm oil, or also olive oil. And all you have to do is swirl it around. Quickly add the garlic and the Chinese amaranth greens and stir constantly, making sure it becomes a little bit tender. You can add a little bit of water, like a 1/4 cup, so that it continues to cook and becomes softened and very easy to eat later on. After a minute, add salt, sesame oil, and stir until it just wilted. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes in total, and if you want it to be extra soft, if you have children or elderly people at home, you can add another 2 minutes to make it really soft. Be liberal with your salt to really bring out the flavor of the vegetables. This simple way of cooking preserves the nutrients and goodness. I hope you will find this soon. Considering you can find these vegetables now, I hope you can find it soon. An optional step is to sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds or toasted almond slices onto the vegetables before being served. So, this is all. It's very easy. If you can find them, definitely bring them home. Prepare it with the leaves pulled up first. Pluck the sides of the stem out. And let me tell you, you will not regret it. In fact, during our outing to Malaysia, our go-to chef, May, actually suggested to eat this because according to her, this has full amino acids and a lot of nutrients.
Probably you can take this green veggie. It is actually very rich in protein and consists of 9 amino acids.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Please hit the like button if you have learned something new. Also consider subscribing so you will not miss any upload on Thursday. And don't forget to share it with others who might be looking for ideas to increase fiber, to lose weight, improve their health. Thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.